Today I'm gonna give you a quick playbook guide in order to invest in real estate here in Venezuela. First, buy low. This is real estate 101. You wanna buy low and sell high? Well, let's start with buy low. First, you have to, of course, like always, do your own homework, do your research, get very well assisted or someone who knows better the market, and probably you're gonna find decent deals. Number two is buy liquid. If you are a seasoned investor, you know that the real estate market, not only in Venezuela, but overall, it's a pretty illiquid market. Unlike stocks, crypto, currencies, you name it, where there are pretty much very efficient markets. I mean, you buy and sell on the time with a very small spread. In real estate, we have higher spreads on the levels where we buy and we sell. So it's a huge spread, so there's opportunities over there. The thing in Venezuela is first, of course, it's a more risky market than, let's say, Florida or Western Europe, or, well, they're on the real estate bubble on their own. We are not in a bubble here. Actually, we are closer to the bottom of the market than the high of the market. Having said that, the other thing you have to consider is that in Venezuela it's virtually not existent a mortgage market, so 99.99% of the properties are fully paid, fully equity for the owner, so there's not going to be a GFC that crashes the market. So what I mean by buying liquid is buying a property that is easier to liquidate. I'm talking within 3 months on the market. And how you do that? Well, you buy something that is not the cheapest on the market. It's not the most expensive thing on the market. You buy something on the middle, on a mid-range, that it has plenty of potential and plenty of demand. Number 3, it's buy an operational unit. What I mean by that is many people, and you see this on these cultural channels where guys buy a house, they flip it, they renovate it, and then sell it for a profit. In Venezuela, that doesn't work. Virtually in any case, you should never renovate a property in Venezuela unless it's for a lifestyle property. If it's just for pure investment, you want an operational property. A property that is not the prettiest, is not the most fancy property. Also, you don't want, a complete, I'm sorry, I don't have another word, shithole. You don't want a property you have to renovate it from scratch. You want something that is pretty decent, operational, the kitchen works well, the bathrooms, AC, you need AC, you need air conditioning. In Venezuela, it's a must. Decent floor, decent furniture, and that's it. Just, you can take the key and rent it. Number 4, and I already said it, don't renovate. Don't do any renovations of the home. And here's why. Because in Venezuela, the renovation costs are very expensive because they are done. The Venezuelans have a pretty particular style, mostly modern and minimalist, yes. And those, the materials and the cost in order to get that final renovation look is going to be pretty darn expensive, and you're going to pay a premium for that. When you see on the market properties that are, brand new, renovated, actually you pay a premium for those properties, and in order to get a particular property on those renovated, high-end levels, you're going to overpay most of the cases, not all the cases, but most of the cases, let's say 90% of the cases, you're going to pay more than the possible profit that you will have on the market, so you will be doing it on a loss. And of course, if you are investing, you don't want to get a loss. Number 5 is cash flow, and this is 101 of real estate. What you want to do is you want to get a property that first maybe you can rent it on short terms, maybe some seasonal, some vacational homes, maybe rent it for a year or two, get some cash flow from the property itself. It's quite a pain on the rear end to do that, but of course it's nothing, no big deal. It can be done, and then, well, let's go to the next. And finally, you want to at the end sell below market price. You know the old saying in Wall Street, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So you don't want to be a pig. What you want to do is sell below the current market price when you're already on a profit and liquidate it like that. It can be easily done within 1 of 3 months, 3 months tops if you're selling on a decent price, get your profit and move to the next thing. And guys, that's my Venezuelan real estate market investment playbook.